You're not stuck because you lack anointing, but you are stuck because you lack the architecture, the structure that needs to carry that anointing, that calling that God has on your life. Okay. So most women think that their confusion is a sign of spiritual weakness, but it is actually not true. It is actually just a sign of missing systems. So you have a calling, but maybe at this moment you have no operational clarity, or you have a vision, but there's no execution rhythms, or you have a desire, but not the design that holds it all. And when there's no structure, our calling starts to feel heavy. Not because God made it heavy, I'm sorry for the dogs, but because it's not being carried the way that God designed it.